All right, guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at IXL P.2 similarity statements. Now, again, this should not be a difficult IXL because it's very similar to something that we've had with congruent triangles and congruent shapes. But let's just kind of talk our way through it. What they want us to do is to complete the similarity statement. Now, they've got F, G, H, I. So what I need to do is I need to find a corner that matches with F. Now, notice, it's a 90-degree angle. I can actually pick any of these 90-degree angles, and it would match with F. I'm going to match with angle B here, okay? But you could do C or D or any of those as long as you get the other ones in order correct. All right, so for this first one, I'm going to put B. And then notice it goes F to G. See how it goes down the long side of my rectangle? What I need to make sure is that I'm going to follow and go down the long side of my rectangle as well. So if I started at B, my next answer would have to be A. If I started at C, my next answer would have to be D. All right? And then after that, once you have two of them, the rest of them should match up if you just continue going around the shape. You're not going to jump back and forth. So B, A, D, C should be the way to set this thing up. All right, and there we go. We got the first one done. All right, so let's try another one here. P, Q, R. Okay, now notice P and Q, they have the same angle, 76, 76. Same with C and E, so I could do either one. I'll do C, P to Q. Notice how it went across the short side. Okay, so we're going to go across the short side, C to E to D. All right, let's take it up a notch. Okay, let's actually take it up another notch. Here we go. All right, so this time, STUV. S is one of these bigger angles, right? Now notice, I've got 114, I've got 66. Those do not match. So that means the 114s are going to match with these over here. So I'm going to match S with D. Sorry. S with D. S to T. Well, these are all the same size, so as long as I just get to D to A, that's going to work. D, A, B, C. Now, notice there's one additional thing. You also need to find the similarity ratio. This is just like before. I'm going to put the left side over the right side. So 1 over 5. All right, and so that's what's going to go in that block right there. 1 over 5. So it does ask you to do both things as you go in this one. All right, so hopefully this gives you a general idea of how to do IXL P.2. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.